Hey guys, welcome back to Horsepower Obsessed. Today we're in Virginia. We've come down here for something really big. Shh. Like, really big. All right guys, so here we are. We're rolling up to Country Chevrolet in Virginia. Got a little bit of a surprise coming here in a second. Stay tuned. Check this one out, guys. What do you think? Not too shabby, huh?
What's that? Oh, thanks. My husband just bought it. He's trading in his red Corvette. Yeah. 2015 for a 2019.
Look who it is, guys. D'Anthony. Oh, look, he's vlogging. He's vlogging. Awesome, man. How you doing?
What's going on, brother? How you doing?
I'm awesome. How are you?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, we got two amazing looking cars now, guys.
Yeah, right?
Look at that thing. Look at that thing.
We've been talking about it all morning while they're waiting for him out here. Corvette ZR1, 3ZR package coming to the Horsepower Obsessed family.
Absolutely.
And man, I was telling everybody on the vlog that it's kind of weird not seeing your stickers on your car, your decals.
Yeah, I know, right?
And
I thought the same thing. It's a sad day here at Horsepower Obsessed, guys. She's getting traded in. Who am I kidding? It's not that sad. I'm getting a ZR1. So here we are. Deal's done. This is now part of the Horsepower Obsessed community, just like you guys. Brand new, 2019, obviously black. It has the satin wheels, red calipers, of course. We got to keep some red on here. Obviously, it's a 3ZR interior, so we got all the carbon fiber bits, everything good in there. Also ZTK. Can't get a ZR1 without ZTK package. So everything is in order. We're about to head out. I'm swapping some pieces from my Z06 over to the ZR1. My tinted side markers here swapped over, make it look real nice and stealthy here. I have a couple other things like the paddle shifters inside are going in here to make kind of the black and red thing work. But while we're sitting here waiting, first off, D'Anthony showed up. Check him out. Only other guy on YouTube other than Street Speed, of course, doing ZR1 content. DZR1 Messiah right there. But while we're sitting here talking about the cars, in comes a ZL1 1LE. I mean, look at this thing. This is fantastic. Like, so many nice cars in a row. We got the ZL1, Z06, ZR1, and then D'Anthony ZR1.
So what are you guys doing?
We're standing here doing the cars guys thing and talking about cars in the blistering heat and sweating like pigs, and it's a good time.
Oh, you got the heated and cool seats here with your 3 XPEL Prime XR. You're pissing me off.
Right.
Everything's done?
Everything's done. I'm just swapping the parts over from the Z06 onto the ZR1 and then hanging out with D a little bit.
Oh, that's awesome, man. I'm happy for you guys, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's badass. What's going on, JT?
Oh, nothing much, man. I just want to say I give a left testicle right now to be just
Oh, that's funny.
That's commitment.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's right, man. It's all that matters.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car, man. It's badass.
Like I said, I'm going to try to get this thing clear brought and taken care of real quick, so I don't want to put anything else extra on there for them to deal with.
Oh, I hear you. I hear you.
So did you guys drive the Z06 here?
Thanks for calling, and you guys have fun, man. Give me a buzz later.
Yeah, I sure will.
All right, take it easy, bro.
All right, D.
Later.
All right, see you.
So we're going to go ahead and replace the stock black paddle shifters with the red ones from my Z06. I've already started to replace the side markers with the black ones I had on my Z06. The last part is going to be right here. We're going to replace these reflectors here, those paddle shifters inside, and then we're going to hit the road. And just like that, they're swapped. Don't you wish it was really that easy and that fast? Anyway, guys, thanks for checking out the video. You're going to see a lot of this ZR1 on the channel. Hopefully a lot of this guy too. He's got that other ZR1 over there. Like I said, check him out. DZR1 Messiah. Definitely an awesome guy. He came out here to meet me with the purchase of this car. It's been a blast.
Definitely. Everybody, it's going to be a great time on the Horsepower Obsessed community. This car it's a unicorn in the Corvette world. And even though with the C8 coming out, it's awesome to see that people can still appreciate what the C7 has to offer. And you're just gonna have a blast here, man. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And I can't wait to do some more content with my man here.
Absolutely.
Two ZR1s just doing what we do, having fun, kicking ass, taking names.
Only one thing better than a ZR1, and that's two ZR1s. Subscribe if you haven't, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Inside the car, we can see 15 miles, guys. This is a brand new ZR1. So here we are in the ZR1, heading home. I have 137 miles on her already. Got a lot of this kind of stuff ahead of me. I got about 150 more miles to go, but it's been a blast so far, guys. This car, like I said in my previous video whenever I drove D'Anthony's, this car is just somehow light years better, but at the same time, it's not that much different. It's really a crazy combination of things. But all of this stuff, guys, would not be possible without you. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully you guys keep watching, and I got a lot of great ZR1 content coming soon. I appreciate everything that my wife has done for me, that Jason from Front Seat Driver, and JT from Cars Guys. You guys are very, very appreciated. I can't say it enough. The support and all of the late night talks, and I can't even begin to tell you how much I actually do appreciate it. And of course, D'Anthony from DZR1 Messiah, I don't want to forget about you, buddy. I appreciate you letting me drive your car, which is really what pushed me over the edge for this anyway. And every one of your friendships, they mean the world to me. If you can't tell, I'm pretty freaking excited. This is it. This freaking ZR1 is fantastic. Like I said, stick around because there's going to be plenty of this car to come on this channel. It's just amazing. And what would be buying a new car without a little bit of this? This is pretty much how I know I'm in Pennsylvania. Lovely, lovely weather. This is the Batmobile.
That's about what it looks like. What the hell?
What in the hell is that?